Outgoing First Sergeant, Master Sergeant Tomas M. Ganeron, Philippine Air Force, to be awarded by our Squadron Commander Lieutenant Colonel Rafael A. Acoba, Philippine Air Force. Villamor Airways, Pasay City, General Orders number 14, dated 14 June 1999. Award of the Military Merit Medal pursuant to paragraph 1-61, section 2, chapter 1, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Regulation G 131-053, General Headquarters of Forces of the Philippines, dated 1 July 1986. The Military Merit Medal is hereby awarded to Master Sergeant as First Sergeant of 526 Air Base Squadron, 520 Air Base Wing, Philippine Air Force from 22 August 1994 to 25 1999. During his stint as First Sergeant to his unit that contributed much to the accomplishment of the overall mission of the wing. By order of Colonel Fuente, Official Rodolfo El Repasa, Colonel Pap JSC, Deputy Wing Commander. Signed, Frederick F. Panadero, Captain, Philippine Air Force, Wing Adjutant. By Tech Sergeant from Peñalba, Philippine Air Force.
Philippine Air Force, Headquarters 526 Air Base Squadron, 528 ABW, Villamor Airways, Pasay City. Orders number 09, 25 May 1999. Paragraph 1. Relief. Master Sergeant Tomas M. Ganeron, 559689, Philippine Air Force is relieved as Unit First Sergeant effective 25 May 1999. Paragraph 2. Designation. Master Sergeant Victor S. Mendoza, 601010, Philippine Air Force is designated as Unit First Sergeant effective 25 May 1999. Signed, Rafael A. Acoba, Lieutenant Colonel, Philippine Air Force, Squadron Commander.
M. Ganeron, the outgoing First Sergeant, will now give his remarks and subsequently reading and signing of relinquishment order.
The Squadron Commander, Acoba, sir, thank you for your kind, sincere trust and confidence in supporting me while I am the Unit First Sergeant of this unit. Wing Sergeant Major, Chief Master Sergeant Jimmy Abarcar, fellow and enlisted personnel, First Sergeants from different units, our two visitors, ladies, under the supervision of Mother Lily, Miss Manuel. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to attend this occasion. May I acknowledge the presence of my son, Civil Engineering Department from Quezon University. Good morning. Hindi ko na matandanan kung ilang taon, buwan at araw akong naging First Sergeant dito. Hindi ko rin mabilang kung may accomplishment man ako rito. Kung isa-isahin natin bilangin, siguro ay tatagal tayo rito. Ang pinakamalaga, tingkasin ko ang pasasalamat sa inyo, cooperation sa trabaho at sa pamamalakad sa unit nito. Salamat po sa inyo lahat. Philippine Air Force, Headquarters 526 Service Squadron, 520 Air Base Wing, Villamor Air Base, Pasay City. 26 May 1999. Orders number 10, relinquish of duties and responsibilities. Force 1 to Par 1, order number 09, Headquarters 526, Air Base Squadron, PAF, dated 25 May 1999. I hereby relinquish my duties as a First Sergeant of 526 Air Base Squadron, Philippine Air Force, effective 25 May 1999. And I will sign your present. Thank you.
Master Sergeant Tomas A. Galarong, for the inspiration that he imparted to us, his dedication to duties and responsibilities to achieve and attain the success in the accomplishment of unit tasks. I would like to introduce to you our guest of honor and presiding SEO, Chief Master Sergeant Jimmy C. Abarcat, Philippine Air Force, Wing Sergeant Major 520 Air Base Wing.
Please take seat. First of all, thank you very much, sir, for making this occasion on his future outgoing First Sergeant, Mr. Sergeant Galarong, incoming Mr. Sergeant Mendoza, all unit First Sergeants. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As I know, the record of Master Sergeant Galarong, 11,680 days in the military service, counting 32 years times 365. Acknowledging those days in his service, on this 15th day of June 1999 is the turnover of possession and designation of First Sergeant of this unit, marking his future graduation on the 30th June 1999. I say graduation because during graduation time, it is the time to receive a degree or diploma after passing from one stage of experience, proficiency, or prestige to usually from bottom to higher, to change yourself gradually in civilian lives anew. I will divide graduation in 3 syllables so that we can justify why Master Sergeant Galarong earned that 11,680 days in the military service. Let us take GRA, or grade. On the first day of his military service, he was given the rank of private or airman. It states in the process a position in the scale of ranks and qualities and a mark indicating a degree of accomplishment, then and so forth until he reached the rank of Master Sergeant.